Wait. No. Maybe not. I remember the smell of rain on the night my world came apart. I remember somebody calling my name, then silence, then dark. I remember trying to hold on to things already gone.
The character you just saw is not real. Nothing about her is real. From start to finish, I made everything using AI and it looks really good, right? But that's not the best part. The best part is 97% of what you just saw was done on one platform, you guys. Yes. And I'm about to show you that workflow because that will change the game forever for you. This is a full masterclass, a full course on how you can own your own record label. You can create different artists. You can create multiple songs. You can create different videos using just one platform. You guys, this is that video you don't want to miss. So if you have always dreamt about creating your own music video, but you want to do it with less stress, come closer. I'm about to show you how. So the platform we'll be using is called Make Song AI. Yes, on this platform there are several options here. As you can see on the home screen, this is how the home screen looks like. You can generate your AI songs and music here, from the lyrics to your AI music video to your lip sync videos to your dance videos to your lyrics, on screen videos. To guys, they have options here. Even Dance 2.0 is currently on this platform. You know that this is currently trendy. This is where we are going to really base our video today on, the lip sync area. As you can see, there is an example here where the artist is actually singing on stage. So it depends on your own concept. The reason I'm making this particular video is because probably you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and probably you're actually particular about music. I feel like this can help you grow faster if you create YouTube shorts, where your character is singing and the audience can relate to them. So that's why we're going to be focusing on that in this particular video. But of course, you can go over to this platform and explore the other options that they have here. For example, you can see on screen here that you can create your lyrics videos or even a dancing video, right? This is a game changer. This actually levels up, your AI filmmaking and content creation game. Trust me, this is it. As you can see here, there is Dance 2.0. But now that you know all the options here, let us go over and generate our lyrics. You can paste your lyrics in here and generate a song, or you can generate a new song from a prompt, right? So you can test it out and see which one. So if you already wrote your song, just come here and then paste your lyrics and choose the style of song. Put the title in and of course click generate. But if not, you can put the prompt here and then describe your song, the type of song you want, choose your style, and of course generate your music. So for me, I'm going over to ChatGPT, and of course you guys know I love to work with ChatGPT a lot. So I just told ChatGPT to write me a simple song, about sleeping in and out of consciousness, and that's basically what we have here. I copied everything here, and then yes, we're going to take these lyrics and go over to Make Song AI. That's where we're going to paste it under the lyrics option. So I just paste that there, and then I'm just going to choose the style. That is, you want to choose the sound, the style, the mood. There are instruments here that you can choose for your type of music. So for this particular one, where I have my artist ready, I chose alternate rock song, right? And then I added other feels to it. Then of course the title of the song is Sleeping In and Out, which is like sleeping in and out of consciousness, of course. So I just click that there, and then I click on generate. You can see it is super fast, very fast. Now, let me mention here that, of course, one of the key things for me about this platform is that you get 100% royalty free music. Yes, you have the commercial rights. Well, when downloading your music, right, you can easily download the commercial right of your sound. So once you have made your payment to this platform, you own your song. So you can monetize your song on any platform out there, YouTube, Spotify, and so on. Yes, you can. Okay, you own the song for your subscription. As long as you're on the paid plan, you have access to actually generate your song and own it, right? So that is it for me. So here my music is just generating. Once it is done, I'll just download the song and then we move to the next step. Now my music is done. Once my music is done, what I need to do now is go over to the list of sounds that I have. If you cannot find it, just click on your profile and then you see your list of songs. Now we need to generate our artists. I just went over to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt. I described the kind of character I'm looking for, and once it gave me the prompt, I took it over to Gemini and of course inserted it here for it to create the image for me. Now this is the image you see here on your screen. It is super beautiful. She looks so realistic, and of course that's the character you saw at the beginning. So yes, I generated this character using Gemini. Once I'm done, I download and then we go back to our make song AI, download our music, the one we just created. Of course they generate two options at a time for you, right? So you choose the one that feels nice and then you go over to the lip sync option. Here they provide you the two types of camera, so single shot or multi shot angles, right? Multi angle shot, so you can choose any of them, and I went with the multi angle. What you want to do now is upload your song. You can upload your song and then of course your character, which we just generated. And the beautiful part of it, look at our song is up to 4 minutes plus, but for this demo I just want to do 1 minute song, right? So I just have to limit it here. You can see you can even trim your songs. You can choose the parts of the song you want to actually lip sync, for your video. So this is what I'm doing here. I just trim that song, and then of course you can add your prompt here. What kind of gestures do you want your character to be displaying while the song is playing, while they are singing and so on? It's up to you to do that. Here it's optional actually. So once you are done describing it, all you need to do is click on generate and let this platform do its thing. Oh my goodness, guys, this is how amazing this platform is. It makes your work easy, super easy, and that's what we all want, because of course we all have the same 24 hours, but the workload, oh my god, especially when you're creating lots and lots of content, it takes a lot of time to create one content. But what if you can do everything on one platform? That is what Make Song AI does for you. It helps you to create with ease. This is the selling point for me. This is it. So all you need to do is of course click the generate. It charges you with credits, and of course generate your song, and yeah baby, your song is ready. Oh my god, I love it. Look at this. And your music video is ready. Once it rolls and rolls, and yeah, you got your music here. Yes.
Can you hear me? I think I'm here. Wait. No. Maybe not. I remember the smell of rain on the night my world came apart. I remember somebody calling my name, then silence, then dark. I remember trying to hold on to things already gone, like catching water with open hands, like begging a wave to stop moving on. Sometimes the memories arrive without knocking first. Sometimes they pull me under before I know I've left the room.
Now that you know how to create your very own music record label with different artists and different music, hey, what are you going to be creating next? If you begin your YouTube channel today, please write it in the comment section, okay? I'm here to support you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back again with another amazing tutorial.